Hello everyone, I'm Joselie Domingo from Bitalad HE3. In this video, you will be able to know the proper and easy way on how to draw front and back body's foundation pattern. So, let's start!
So these are the materials that we need in drafting patterns. First thing that we need to do before we draft our pattern is to get the body measurement of our client. Always remember that we need to divide the armhole, shoulder, chest, and bust distance measurement by 2. And we must divide the bust and waist measurement by 4. And lastly, the body's length and bust height are just at ease. We need to draw perpendicular line and mark the corner A. So this is the starting point. From point A to point B, measure 3 inches downward. Then from A to C, measure 5.5 inches. From A to D, this is the armhole measurement, which is 8 inches. From point A to E, use the body's length measurement, which is 17 inches. Project points B, C, D, and E to the right with a straight line using ruler. A to F, use 2.5 inches for the neck width. Then connect F to B using ruler. Using the French curve, you can shape the neckline. Point A to G, use your shoulder measurement, which is 7.5 inches. G to H downward, use 1.5 inches, then draw a straight line downward. Connect F to H with a diagonal line using ruler. From C going to the right, use the chest measurement, which is 6. Then connect H and I. Get the point J, starts from point D, use the bust measurement, then add 1 inches to the right. Then shape the armhole using French curve from point I to J. Next is point K. From E, use the waist measurement, which is 6 3/4 inches, and add 1.5 inches for the dart. Connect J to K. Let's get the bust height downward, which is 8, and this is point L. Get the M, start measuring from point E and use bust distance, which is 3. From point M to the left, measure 3/4 inches and also to the right. That is an O. Connect L to M, L to N, and L to O. We need to connect the dart by folding point O going to N. Then, connect K to E with a straight line. This is our front bodies. Now, we need to draft back bodies. Get another Manila paper, and I will use the front bodies as a guide to make it easier. From point A, measure 1 inch downward. Then, shape it using French curve. Get back shoulder, raise 1/2 inch from point H, then connect it from F. To get the back armhole, measure 1/2 inch from point I going to the right. From point J to the left, measure 1/2 inch. Then connect point 4 to 5. Shape the armhole starting from point 2 going to point 4 using French curve. Start from point L, measure 1 inch upward. From M, measure 1/2 inch both sides. Then connect them, and this is the back dart. the dart by connecting it again, then draw straight lines from point 5 to K. Lastly, all you can do now is trace the marking. This is our pattern for back bodies.
And that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something from this.